Hey guys, I got this all-in-one HP computer. As you can see, I pressed the power button and it's not turning on. It's plugged in and everything. So when this happens, pretty much your motherboard is not working right. So you can either buy a new one or do this every time your computer is not turning on. So this will fix it. This is a hair dryer. So all you have to do is just blow some heat into the motherboard. All right, let's see. Not yet. Still. So we gotta keep doing it. As you can see, it's on. So it's working fine now. So if I don't want to do this every morning, what I do is I just leave it on. I just leave the computer on and the computer gonna work fine. Nothing's gonna happen. But sometimes, I just feel, I don't know, lazy or something, and then I turn it off. And then every time that I want to turn it on, I gotta do this because the motherboard is not working right. So that's how you fix this issue. There we go, guys.